Hi, my name is Amberlyn May Ocampo, and I just passed the recent exam. It's been 5 years na nagtrabaho ako bago ako mag-take ng exam, and honestly, sobrang kinakabahan, natatakot, and hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-review. And then I found Atlas. My experience with Atlas is really remarkable. They guided me not just for the things that you need to learn, but also for our emotional also. They guided us na talagang hindi kanila papabayaan. Stricto pero talagang maayos. And yung samahan sa group, talaga namang hindi ka mai-stress or hindi ka masasakal kasi they balance talaga. Binabalance nila. Yan lang.
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the Architecture Board exams. Message us now.